In baking, one wrong measurement can turn a fluffy cake into a brick. Today, I'll show you how to measure like a pro and never ruin a recipe again. Baking is not like regular cooking. It's a science. The right ratio of ingredients is what makes your bread soft, your cookies chewy, and your cake perfectly moist. There are two main systems: metric, grams, milliliters, Celsius, and imperial, cups, ounces, Fahrenheit. Stick to one system per recipe. Switching midway can cause disaster. For dry ingredients like flour or sugar, spoon them into the measuring cup and level off with a knife. Never scoop directly from the bag. It packs in more and throws off your recipe. For wet ingredients, use a liquid measuring cup. Check at eye level, not from above, to ensure accuracy. Continuing previous line, if you want bakery level results, use a digital kitchen scale. It's faster, cleaner, and more accurate than cups or spoons. Continuing previous line, here's a quick cheat sheet. 1 cup flour = 120 G. 1 cup sugar = 200 G. 1 stick butter = 113 G. Save this. It'll change your baking game. Measure right, and you're halfway to baking success. Next time, we'll talk about baking terms like creaming, folding, and proofing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.